Hey everybody. Today, what is today? Today is Prizm Retail Box Day. This is a full 24 pack box with 1 auto, 12 prisms, and 12 exclusive retail inserts. If you haven't watched already, there is a video of me opening one of these when they first came out, and as is usual with the retail boxes, I didn't do very well on the auto, but I did get a couple of decent, or at least one really good rookie green retail parallel retail. So I'm hoping for similar results here. So let's get into it and see what we get. Alright, Dennis Smith, Jr. Davis, a Jimmy Butler parallel, silver, Paul Gasol. Oh, there's my drop a card. Let's hope that's the only one of this video. Napier, looks like there's our autograph. I think we'll hold on to it since it is so soon. So early in the box. I guess that's autograph. It was turned backwards, so I'm assuming it is. Bam. Shamay, I guess. Rookie. Jason Kidd, dominance. Jokic. Wagner, rookie. Corver. Herder, freshman phenoms, and Hutchinson, rookie. Matu, rookie. Got a green coming up here. There's Hayward. It's a Kiri Thomas, rookie. Green, so at least it is a Thon Maker. A rookie this time, a rookie parallel. Jeff Green, Meritic, Troy Brown Jr., Emergent, and Malik Monk. Let's go pull these out of here. Alright, let's see here. Rivers, Bogdanovich, James Harden red, Marshawn Brooks, Lonnie Walker the fourth rookie, George Hill, a McCollum red, Kawhi Leonard, Harry Giles, Justin Jackson rookie, Jonathan Isaac green, Eric Gordon, Larry Nance Jr., Reggie Jackson, Michael Porter Jr., freshman phenoms, DeAndre Jordan, Alonzo Trier, rookie. Shy Galigius Alexander, I don't really know. Dante DiVincenzo. Lord, you can tell I haven't been buying much of the new basketball season because I am ripping the names apart. I haven't bought nearly as much of this as I have. I've been on a big football kick. Porzingis, Zach Collins, a Karl Malone green dominance, and James Harden base. Yeah, with last season's rookie class basketball, I bought a ton. But this new class, I haven't bought much. Steph Curry, get hyped. Jeremy Lin. But now the NFL's winding down. I'd promised I was going to watch regular season basketball this year. So far, I haven't done it. But after the Super Bowl, I'm going to give it a shot again. I still want to learn. Oh, that's sweet. Colin Sexton, freshman phenoms green. I still want to be more of a basketball fan. I've always been a football person. Originally, I was a baseball person. When I was younger, well, baseball and college football. Then when I got older, I fell in love with NFL. Bill Russell, silver. Dalu, rookie. But I've never been much. I like watching basketball live in person. I've gone to a couple of Alabama games, and they're like tons of fun in person. Marshawn Brooks parallel, and there's Jaren Jackson Jr. rookie. But I've just never watched much of it on TV. Last year, the playoffs really sucked me in. Teodosic rookie? Is that really his rookie year? It seems like he would have already had a rookie card. I'm not understanding. Does not compute. Magic Johnson Hall monitors. Jimmy Butler. So anyways, last year playoffs sucked me in, and I swore that I was going to watch regular season and become a better basketball fan this year. Steph Curry dominance and Bill Russell base card. But so far I've not kept that promise. Pete Maravich. Augustin Larry Bird Hall monitors hollow. Chris Paul. I did watch some basketball in the 80s. Larry Bird was my man. Troy Brown Jr. rookie. James Johnson. Gasol green. Lillard. So far just one green rookie. So boo on that. Bogdanovich, Clyde Drexler, dominance, Prince, base card. Allen, Jerry West, Bagley the third, emergent, and Millsap. Last two packs, and then we'll check out the autograph. See if we can break a streak of terrible retail autographs. Mitchell Robinson, Barton, Eric Gordon, Hollow, Silver, Irving. Gosh, I don't think did I get any silver rookies? I don't think I did. I have to look back through. I wasn't paying much attention, to be honest with you. Paul Millsap. I don't think I did. That's crappy. Hang on, let me pull. That wasn't. Nope. And then the rest of that stack, I didn't. I'd already pulled the hits out of. Let's see. Nope. Nope. Well, technically, yes, but it's a green insert. Nope. 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 Yes, one. That's it. Not a silver to be had. And I'm dropping the cards as usual, like a freaking idiot. Alright, well, there's still whatever's left in the autograph pack. Wow, that really rips. I've got a bad, I don't know if I'm jinxing myself, but I got a bad feeling I'm not going to have much luck with this rookie class. Not like I did last year. Alright, Napier, Adams, Russell Westbrook, so no silver rookie, and whoever in the hell this is. Dino Radha. I have not a clue. I am giving this box a big Stinksville. Woof. Brutal. I feel violated. Alright, well, I guess maybe it's a good reason I haven't bought much basketball this year. That really stunk. I mean, it is retail, so you can't expect the moon and stars, but I definitely did better than this with the first box. So thanks for watching. I do have one other basketball box. Watch for that video to be posted soon. Yeah, very soon. I got one more. All right, take care. Bye.